Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Solana on Robinhood. First, you'll need to set up your Robinhood account. This involves providing some basic personal information and verifying your identity, which usually requires a government-issued ID. Once that's complete, you'll link your bank account to easily deposit funds. It's a straightforward process designed to get you trading quickly and securely. After your account is set up, deposit funds from your linked bank account. You can start with as little as $10. Once your funds are available, use the search bar at the top of the Robinhood app to find Solana. Just type Solana or its ticker symbol. You'll then see its current price and market performance. Now you're ready to place your order. Decide how much Solana you want to buy, either by dollar amount or number of coins. You can choose a market order to buy at the current price or a limit order to set a specific price. Review all the details carefully before confirming your purchase. Your Solana will then appear in your portfolio. Once you own Solana, you can monitor its performance directly within your Robinhood portfolio. Keep an eye on price movements and consider setting up custom alerts to notify you of significant changes. This helps you stay informed without constantly checking the app. And hey, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.